Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the remote has fresh batteries and you're close to the indoor unit. Weak batteries block commands. Once done, power cycle the AC at its wall, switch, or breaker so the unit reboots and clears temporary locks or errors. Next, hold the remote steady and remove any obstructions between remote and receiver. Make sure the display responds to button presses before moving to the unblocking sequence that follows. You now perform the unlock sequence native to most Voltas remotes. Press and hold mode and the temperature up button for about 5 to 8 seconds until the lock icon blinks or disappears. If that combination does nothing, try holding power and mode for a shorter 3 to 5 seconds to trigger alternate firmware sequences. Once the icon clears, press power to confirm normal operation and cycle through modes. Finish by confirming the remote controls temperature and mode changes. You should see immediate feedback on the indoor display. If the lock remains, replace batteries and repeat the sequence, because low power often prevents unlock commands from registering. If that still fails, remove batteries for 60 seconds to force a remote reset, reinsert them, and try again. If none of these steps work, the lock may be a service-level anti-tamper. Contact Voltas service for a remote or unit-side reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.